welcome back to my cozy studio. Today, we're going to paint this adorable, vibrant mushroom together. I started with a light pencil sketch in my sketchbook to get the proportions just right, and now I'm darkening the lines and refining all the details. To preserve the white spots, or scales, on the mushroom cap, I'm going to use liquid masking fluid. Once dry, this mask keeps those areas completely white while we paint over them. It's a super simple technique that makes the final painting look crisp and professional. Quick pro tip, always use an old, worn-out brush for masking fluid. It ruins brush bristles quickly, so be sure not to use your new or expensive brushes by mistake. Following the curve of the cap, I'm dabbing on dots of different sizes. Now, we'll leave the top to dry completely and work on the other parts. I'm starting with my Artway size 2 brush, mixing a shade using leftover paint on my palette. I'll begin with a light wash for the mushroom's ring. Then switch over to my Winsor & Newton size 2 brush. The goal here is to create dimension, showing the folds and highlights using light and dark values. The gills underneath have a warm orange shadow, which I think is a reflection from the bright red cap. While that first layer on the ring dries, let's move to the stem. I'm laying down soft gray shadows, deepening the dark areas right underneath the ring. Whenever I feel like I've put down too much pigment, I just gently lift it up with a paper towel. Heading back to the ring, I'm adding more layers. You can really see its 3D volume coming to life step by step. Let's deepen those shadows on the gills as well. Now that the masking fluid is completely dry, the cap is ready for color. I wet the area with clean water first, then carefully paint the red sections using 2 tones, a deep red and a vibrant lighter red. Next, I'll paint the yellow areas near the center. Be careful not to let the deep red bleed too much into the yellow, or we'll lose that bright, beautiful glow on the cap. I'm adding a few more details to the ring, making sure to softly blend out the edges of the dark brown shadows. Now, let's add some extra shadows to the stem to enhance its shape. Around the base, I'm painting blades of grass using dark green, light green, and a bit of brown. As usual, don't feel 100% locked into your reference photo. Paint freely and do whatever makes you happy. Now for the most satisfying part. By gently rubbing my finger over the masking fluid, it peels right off. Look at how bright and beautiful the cap looks. Since these scales are raised and cast shadows, I'm adding a touch of dark red underneath them. The scales on this mushroom are quite prominent, so adding a light gray wash will really help give them 3D volume. I hope you enjoyed this mushroom tutorial and found it helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cozy art tutorials. It really helps support my channel on this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.